In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a GIF to a Klaviyo email template. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring motion into your emails in a clean, reliable way. Start in your Klaviyo dashboard. Decide whether you're working on a one-off campaign or an automated flow, then open the specific email you want to edit. Once you're inside that email, choose Edit or Design Email to launch the editor. This takes you to the canvas where you'll build and style your message. Next, you'll add a spot for the GIF. In the left-hand panel of the editor, find the image block. Click and drag it into your layout, and drop it exactly where you want the animation to appear. Think about the surrounding content. Placing a GIF near a headline or a key call to action can help draw attention without overwhelming the reader. With the block in place, click the image area to start your upload. Choose Upload Image, then select your GIF file from your computer. Klaviyo treats GIFs just like regular images, so there's no special format or setting to worry about. After the upload completes, the GIF will appear in your email. If your file is large, consider that bigger GIFs can load more slowly for your subscribers. Keeping dimensions reasonable and avoiding unnecessary frames can help the email feel snappy. Now fine-tune how it looks. Resize the GIF so it fits naturally within your design, and keep mobile readers in mind. Oversized images can crowd small screens. Aligning it to the center usually provides a polished, balanced feel, especially for banners or product showcases. Most importantly, add descriptive alt text. This is the short line that appears if the image fails to load, and it's also helpful for accessibility. A clear description like animated product display showing new arrivals sets the right expectation and preserves your message even when images are blocked. When everything looks good, preview and test before sending. Use the preview and test option in the editor to see how the email renders. Then send yourself a test email. Open it on both desktop and mobile, check that the GIF loops and loads smoothly, and confirm that the alt text appears correctly when images are turned off. This quick check helps you catch anything that might distract your audience or slow them down. That's it. You've added a GIF to your Klaviyo email template, adjusted it for clarity and performance, and verified it looks great in the inbox. Now you're ready to send with confidence and add a touch of motion to your next campaign.